welcome back to the DD Lifestyle, where we chit chat about all things faith, fashion, and lifestyle. So today I wanted to talk to you about shooting your own video, photo content. So guys, I wanted to just do a really quick video on how you can shoot your own content while you're at home. I know we're in this quarantine, we can't really go anywhere. We have to keep our social distancing, and you may not have access to your photographer. Everything's closed, all of that stuff. So what I wanted to do was just do a quick video to show you guys how I create content just in my house, around the house, by myself. And I'm gonna show you all the little gadgets and things that I use that you guys can get to. And yeah, that's why I'm on this backdrop right here, this white backdrop. So this is one of the things that I use when I am shooting my videos. And yeah, I'll show you. So this is one of my favorite things. It's a tripod. Look at that, so cool. Has the remote up and down. This flips around, so if you want to do portrait or landscape mode, this is a true lifesaver. This goes up and down. I mean, it just does all types of stuff. It's the bomb. So I use this a lot, especially if I'm alone by myself, or if I am with other people, because sometimes they don't be taking the pictures how I want to take them. So I'll just pop this thing right on out my bag and I'll take my own pictures. So I absolutely love this. So I'll show you how I put together this backdrop and what it is. So you can use paper. This is paper. Or you can use a sheet, as long as it's not too see-through, a nice thick sheet. Or you can use a polyester backdrop that normally comes with your stand and everything. But I love the paper so much better than the polyester sheet or the backdrop, simply because it's just so smooth. When you have fabric, you kind of can see the wrinkles in there, and I'm no pro. I don't know how to edit the pictures too much. I can do a little bit, but this just makes it a lot easier when you have the paper backdrop. So we're gonna just jump right in. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I use, and yeah, I'll show you some of the little spots in my house that I like to use as well to take cute pictures. I don't really know what I'm doing. Let's just be clear. I just purchased all this stuff because I Googled, YouTube, all of that, and that's what people use. So I did the same thing. I'm the one that will try to figure it out first before I go hire and pay someone. So yeah, I have all of this stuff because I've been doing my own little at-home photo shoots for at least like 5 years now. And don't get me wrong, I do use photographers as well, but when I don't have access to a photographer, I'll just do it myself. So this is literally everything that I use. I have a stand, of course, a tripod. I have a light. It does have a light box, but I don't feel like that. And I have two, but I broke the other bulb. So I only have one today. And then this is the ring light. I recommend everyone getting a ring light. Okay, so this is the ring light. I absolutely love this ring light. I mean, it's just bomb. So what happens when you take photos with a ring light? I'm going to just practice just to show you guys. You always want to make sure that whatever you're shooting, the light is behind that. So this is so nice and bright. the light is shining right on the object. So you always want to make sure the light is behind you, in front of you, whatever. Y'all know what I mean. So that'll be super nice. And then I also use, so this is the tripod that I use. I got this a while ago, like years ago, from Walmart, but you can get everything from Amazon. I love this tripod because it's pretty tall. It's a little bit shorter than me, but it gets, you know, the job done. It holds the phone perfectly. The only thing that I don't like about this, and it's probably because it's older, is that you can only put the phone in here for landscape mode. So if I wanted it to be in portrait mode and the phone standing up, like if you were watching Instagram TV, it's kind of hard. So what I did was add this little tie, hair tie around it, so when I want to flip the phone, I'm just gonna show y'all how ghetto it is, but it works. See how I just flipped it around and I have this tie on here to hold it in portrait mode. So yeah, that works too. And listen, you just gotta use what you have to get the shot that you want. And so what I want to show you is how you can legit set this up. This is like a behind the scenes right here. See, you have your chair here, and then here's a mirror. So I'm gonna walk around the front just so you'll see what everything would look like. I'm gonna turn this around. So this would be me here, right? Camera here, mirror here, ring light right here. And I just got a stool so I can be a little comfortable when I'm talking to you all. But this would be the camera that I will be looking in right here on this tripod, right? And I'll use my mirror to pose, right? Whatever you're gonna do. And you're gonna use this. This is going to be your clicker, and you're gonna press, pose, press, pose. Do whatever you wanna do. Stand up, move around, put some music on so you can get, you know, your energy flowing, and you're going to literally just flick away. And you're gonna pay attention to the camera right here in front of you on your tripod. Yeah, this mirror, like I said, is optional, but I like to have it, especially when I'm by myself, because the camera is facing me. I don't know what I look like, and it takes a lot of time to come up with pictures when you don't have someone, you know, directing you. So I like to just use the mirror, so I'm not stopping and starting, trying to see if I got a good photo or not. So this is legit the setup. And if you don't have a ring light, you can use the natural sunlight in your house. You just have to know which area in the house gets the best sunlight, the time of day that the sunlight is coming in, and that's when you shoot. And you want to be sure, just like how we have the lighting and everything in front of us. If you were doing this without a ring light and you were just using the natural sunlight, you want to make sure that the light is in front of you. So this is a little area in my home that I like to shoot in. I like to shoot videos. I like to take photos over here. So this little corner, I'll be like here, taking a cute pic, doing whatever, doing my fake laugh. I have my little remote here that I'll have in my hand. I'll try to hide it as much as I can while I'm taking photos, while I'm recording. And I'll just be like snapping away until you get the right photo. So let me show you another spot in the house that I like to use to capture photos and videos as well. So here's another little corner in my home that I like to shoot in. I like all the props and everything that I have over here. The background is pretty cool. So yeah, I'll take pictures here, I'll take videos here, and I'm doing everything off of my iPhone 12, 11. I don't know, whatever the highest one we're on, that's the one that I have. So I would love to see some of your photos. Tag me on Instagram, Dominique Danielle _DD. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video, y'all. And tell me, you know, how's it going? Come back for more of the DD lifestyle, faith, fashion, lifestyle. I have some good stuff coming up, I guess. I mean, I don't have nothing else to do, right? See y'all.